Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be in the customer service field. So if you have great customer service skills, maybe this is for you. The company Peloton, the fitness company that makes the spin bikes, the treadmills, does all the interactive app and streaming fitness classes. They have 1,400 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a full-time customer success specialist. Now, it does say Plano, Texas, but if you scroll all the way down, it does say this is a remote work-from-home position. But they say they're looking for a customer success account manager to bring on board to help them in their corporate wellness space. To own the overall success of booking business by assessing client needs, identifying risk, and rolling out communication and engagement initiatives, reporting results, and developing strong relationships with corporate wellness partners. So even though you're going to be customer support, customer success, it's for corporate partners and not individuals. You'll be leading their wellness partners through the full customer life cycle from post-sales to program launch through their contract renewal, just servicing and managing against different business metrics. Now, they're looking for somebody who's 3 years experience in customer support, customer success implementation, or some kind of account management. Someone who has a proven track records with meeting goals and deadlines. Of course, you got to have a passion for fitness and great communication skills. Now, unfortunately, this position did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind when I am out here searching for job leads to share. Please give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.